Good evening, good evening, good evening. Yes, I said good evening. It's not morning. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Yes, I said good evening. It's not morning. I have styled my hair differently today. I did this hairstyle this morning before going out with my husband. It was my job to drive him around after he had a medical procedure done, and everything is wonderful. And then I decided that I wanted to show you how I achieved this look. I had some hits and some misses, but I completed the project. I also wanted you to take a look at a little bit of what I did this weekend as we were prepping for a baby shower. So at the end of the video, just stay tuned and look for just a little bit of the preparation. But before any of that, you know I gotta thank my subscribers. You guys have been my rock, my uplifter, my encourager. And I wanted to say thank you. Thank you for all that you do to support me and this channel. And for those of you that are watching right now and you have not subscribed to this channel yet, what are you waiting on? Because there's an open invitation every day, all the time, 24/7 for you to join the Gene G family. Now, let's take a look at this hairstyle.
On my timeline. Saw your picture on my timeline. You were backlit by the sunshine. picture of my timeline. So you picture of my timeline. You were backlit by the sunshine. Couldn't text across the skyline. Undecided as I scroll by.
I'm doing like a video.
So yours is going to come, okay,
No, she said she doing a video.
oh, it's a video.
Beside the plate. Beside the plates. Where are the plates? I don't think he saw you put the plates out. Yeah, he did. Good.
Beside the plates. Beside, that's on top. You put it beside the plates. Look, these are the plates. You put it beside the plates.
Good job.
Here, no. Put this beside the cups. Beside the cups. Beside the cups.
not really
Oh, your
premium.
business cards.
It's not really like a premium membership per se, but it's like as far as somewhat more special than the others that come through the shop because you got more than one thing done. So like lights, a wrap, and you did something else.
Oh, you would present that to your customers.
Right, and
Okay.
pretty much they don't have to say anything when people ask about their car. You just be like, "Cool. It's got the QR code.
Turn it around.
Yeah, I like that.
So it's the plastic one.
I'm gonna go do that myself in a little bit.
Is that baby thing?
This old baby goes outside. Tay said that one goes outside, so maybe by the mailbox in order to, so everybody will know where they're going. But she said that was gonna be outside. So I guess you can do that for her. All these gifts are here even before the shower begins, but these are from online.
Stop greeting everybody. Hey, hey. I'm gonna just slip these off.
Look at her.
Ain't nobody gonna know this. Thank you so much.
No. Yeah.
Y'all see my mother-in-law again.
Cause I'm vlogging.
Okay. You put it in your shirt and you gotta try to wiggle it out like you're giving birth. So that's why I think it's funny.
So Miss Queen,
Yes, ma'am.
so if I have subscribers in Tennessee and they want to use you as a caterer, how do they reach you?
They can reach me at www.queenofsoulinc.com or which has my business number on there. It has not Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. That's my age coming out. So yeah, I think those on Instagram and on Facebook is Queen of Soul. Queen of Soul on there as well. So,
Okay. All
Yep.
right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, great. And I'll make sure to tell my subscribers, you know how the food tastes.
Yes, that's
You guys, we're getting food on the table now.
It can be thrown out, it can be washed, it can be fresh or
Thank you for watching. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He strengthens me, He keeps me, and He tells me that I am His own. And as a matter of fact, He calls me friend. Thank you for watching.